Eto muna, stewardess sa ila natin. May halahing, may lahing banyaga dito.
Sino kaya? Sino kaya ang, ano kaya mapapangasawa nito?
Uy, okay na,
Ayaw ba
magaling
ng
na.
foreigner?
Okay lang, pero gusto ko Pinoy.
Kung sakali
Pinoy.
ba, anong klaseng lahi, anong lahi ang gusto mong mapangasawa? Kung foreigner mapangasawa mo,
Siguro...
anong bansa yan?
American.
American?
American, ha?
Ha?
Or
Spanish. Or
Spanish.
Spanish?
may halo. Pinoy or may halo.
May halo.
Okay, ikaw na lang.
Mahalo natin. Mahalo natin.
Ginawang alak, May halo. Okay.
Spam. Spanish-American, oo.
Okay.
Ay, what that?
I prepared one of my group mate, Babe Hopia, and and one is from our beloved Tower Cats, Lumpia Guanyo.
Oh.
Joke lang. Alam mo naman, bago
klaseng
yung joke
hopya
mo,
to?
luma na yun.
Ano
What
klaseng
kind of
hopya?
hopya? What's inside?
Hopia baboy and lumpiang toge.
Hopya, baboy. Okay. The hopya, we sausaw in the suka?
Sure.
Good,
Nice,
niloloko mo kami, ha?
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Is it clean?
It's clean, I washed it.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Yo, VIP, let's kick it. Pressure.